For decades, the Big Bang was treated as the cosmic wall, the point beyond which we could never see. A moment where time, space, and physics as we know them began. But now, thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, that wall is starting to crack. In recent months, astronomers analyzing Webb's early deep field data have discovered something astonishing. Galaxies that shouldn't exist, formed too early, too fast, and too complex to fit within standard cosmological models. Some scientists are beginning to ask the unthinkable: what if we're seeing evidence of events from before the Big Bang? The JWST has detected massive, mature galaxies that appear to have formed just 300 to 500 million years after the Big Bang. One such galaxy, CEERS 93316, appears to be so evolved with a large mass and structured form that it contradicts the expectations of the standard lambda CDM model. These galaxies are too big, too bright, and too well organized for how early they appear. According to current physics, they shouldn't be there. If confirmed, these anomalies could mean that either our timeline of galaxy formation is deeply flawed, cosmic inflation behaved differently than we thought, or perhaps something happened before the Big Bang that seeded this early structure. NASA scientists and Webb collaborators have been cautious but excited. According to Dr. Erica Nelson, University of Colorado, one of the co-authors on a JWST early galaxy study, we found something so unexpected it actually creates problems for science. It calls the whole picture of early galaxy formation into question. Meanwhile, Dr. Tommaso Treu, lead scientist on the GLASS survey, which discovered several high redshift candidates, stated, "These galaxies shouldn't exist, yet here they are." NASA's official position: more data is needed, but the implications could transform cosmology. The idea of before the Big Bang isn't new, but it's always been theoretical with little to no evidence. Now, a JWST might be providing that missing piece. Some leading theories include cosmic rebound, Big Bounce. The universe undergoes endless cycles of expansion and collapse. What we see could be remnants from a previous cycle. Eternal inflation. The Big Bang was just one of countless bubble universes forming in a multiverse. We may be detecting signals leaking from neighboring realities. Loop quantum cosmology. A mathematical model suggesting that quantum gravity allowed a universe to exist before the Big Bang, and JWST might be picking up its echo. If Webb continues to detect objects older and more complex than possible, we may need to abandon the idea of a singular beginning altogether. The JWST sees in infrared, allowing it to detect light that has been stretched by billions of years of cosmic expansion. When this light hits Webb's sensors, it's like receiving a message in a bottle, a message written over 13.5 billion years ago. But now, some of that light doesn't fit known redshift patterns. It's too red. It doesn't match the expected structure of infant galaxies. And in some cases, the galaxies themselves appear more organized than they should be. It's like finding skyscrapers in a village that should still be building tents. Either we're reading the light wrong, or we're seeing something that's not supposed to be there. If JWST is capturing pre-Big Bang phenomena, it would shatter the current Big Bang timeline, suggest a much older or more complex universe, open the door to multiverse science, reframe religion and philosophy with new metaphysical questions. We've always asked, where did it all begin? But perhaps the more important question is, did it ever begin at all? Astronomers are now designing new surveys to probe deeper, measure redshifts more accurately, and cross-check Webb's data with gravitational wave observatories and upcoming radio telescopes like SKA square kilometer array. NASA and ESA plan to refine Webb's instruments to push even further, not just to see the first stars, but the forces that made stars possible. As new papers come out, we may face a cosmological revolution, a move from the universe as a beginning to the universe as a story without start or end. And the JWST, with its golden eye fixed on the deepest dark, will lead the way.